HappyCow Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll review HappyCow, a platform designed to help users find vegan and vegetarian restaurants worldwide. Links to the platform are in the description below. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for plant-based options while traveling, HappyCow makes it easy to discover suitable restaurants, cafes, and grocery stores in thousands of cities across the globe. The platform is available as a website and a mobile app, allowing users to search for plant-based food options based on location. You can filter by vegan, vegetarian, or veg-friendly establishments, and even refine searches by cuisine type, price range, and dietary preferences like gluten-free. Each listing includes detailed reviews, ratings, photos, and menu insights, helping users make informed dining choices. HappyCow is ideal for travelers exploring new destinations who want to avoid the hassle of searching for vegan-friendly spots. It eliminates the guesswork by providing user-generated reviews and recommendations from a dedicated community. Users can also save favorite places, create travel lists, and contribute reviews to help others. A key advantage is the global coverage, making it a go-to resource for plant-based travelers, even in regions where vegan options are less common. While the basic search functions are free, the premium version of the app offers additional features like offline access, making it useful for travelers without constant internet access. One downside is that some listings may be outdated, as restaurant menus change over time. Also, availability varies depending on the location. Major cities have plenty of listings, but smaller towns may have fewer options. Overall, HappyCow is an essential tool for plant-based eaters looking for reliable dining options, whether at home or abroad. It simplifies meal planning, provides trustworthy recommendations, and enhances the travel experience for vegans and vegetarians. If you're serious about finding great plant-based food while traveling, HappyCow is a must-have resource. Check the links in the description to explore the platform.